Meadows and Pierce going to lead them out at turn 4. Meadows on the loud pedal. Pierce on the outside, Meadows on the bottom, Donald McMillion right there with them. Again, there's 2 points separating that 3 and the 18. The 3 looking for a good points night here as we go into double points next week. George Pierce going to work the outside in that 47 machine, looking for his first feature win of the year. Pierce looking to the bottom side now. He's going to pull the trigger. They're looking to go 3 wide for the lead. He's going to pinch off the 3 cars. They go down the back straightaway. Contact between the 3 and the 47. Again, tempers flaring tonight at the Beckley Motor Speedway as contact between the 3 and the 47. The 47 pulled the slider down in turn number 2. The 3 was not happy with it. He let him know going into turn number 3 as he turns the 47 car into the outside guardrail. One lap in the books, 14 laps left to go. The green flag is out. Solango going to lead the way, McMillion in that second spot. Those two are going to run off and hide from the third place car now of Gary Chappell. Gary Chappell putting that 10 racing machine into the third spot. Taking over the reins from Cowboy, Delbert Lusher, looking to run a top 3 here tonight in the Bud Light Street Stocks. Solango now starting to pull away from your second place car of Donald McMillion. Solango going to look to the outside of the 15 machine, going to put him a lap down as he comes around to complete lap number 4. McMillion going to try to now move up on the racetrack, work a little higher line and try to run down that 18 machine. The 15's been popping and cracking all night. Looks like he's going to put the popcorn machine to the infield. Donald McMillion starting to reel in Trenton Solango. Solango was out to about a 2.5 second lead. Now McMillion now reeled him into a 2.1 second. Is this the night the 2 machine finally gets his first feature win? 2.2 is the lead for the 18 machine. Last time by, your fastest car on the racetrack was the 2. He is starting to reel in. Your race leader now cuts it into a 1.9 second lead. He has reeled in the 18 car. He's now within 3 car lengths. He's got 6 laps left to go. Is this the night Donald McMillion finally gets his first feature win? Solango starting to pick it back up now. He was the fastest car on the racetrack for the first time in several laps. He's going to come up on the 240 machine. He's now back out to almost a 2-second lead over McMillion, but has problems getting around the 240 machine as McMillion closes the distance into turn 3 and 4. Solango now going to make quick work of the 240 as he works the bottom side of the speedway. Trouble for the 10 car on the back straightaway. Yeah. Nope, he's got her going back. 2 laps left to go. The 10's got it refired. It's a 2-horse race now as the top 2 have put the field a lap down. Contact now between the 10 and 240. Caution flag going to come out. Donald McMillion looking for that first feature win, had reeled in the 18 machine, and then the 18 was starting to pull away. Is this restart what he's looking for that first feature win, or can Salango hang on and go back-to-back here at the Beckley Motor Speedway and extend out that points lead? Green flag is out. The battle is on. Salango starting to pull away down the back straightaway. These two gentlemen have a clear track with the white flag out one more time around. Down the back straightaway for the final time into 3 and 4. Checker flag is out. Trent Salango goes back-to-back at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Second spot's going to go to Donald McMillion. Y'all make some noise for that young man when he gets out of the car going back-to-back. He's out of Beckley, West Virginia. In the right way, auto number 18 machine. Y'all make some noise for Trenton Salango. Well, with that, there was one. 30 laps of complete chaos coming at you. It's Enduro time at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Points battle tight up front in this one.